Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 4.2 and 4.3, all about measuring angles. So we already know about the angles based off of lesson 4.1, where we looked at all the different types of angles: acute angles, right angles, obtuse, straight angles, and reflex angles. Now the thing to remember is they have definitions. So acute is less than 90, a right angle is exactly 90, obtuse is between 90 and 180, straight angle is exactly 180, and reflex angle is between 180 and 360. So that's good to know about. We need to know what those are based off their angles. But if we look at this protractor here, there are two things to look at when measuring an angle. So we can see that we have an angle in here, right? We have these two lines. And we're looking for this angle here. So first you need to line up this T. I'm going to maybe do this in blue. This T here with that point. This point here, right where the angle starts. Then, secondly, you need to line up this line with the 0. So you can see that it says 0 right there. You need to line that up. Once you have that, now you can start counting. So some of your protractors may not have these numbers nice and close, but you will have markings here. So you can count this way as well. So this is usually done by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and a half, 45. Okay? And if you look up here, that's what it is. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and a half. So it's 45. So that's how you measure angles. Now let's see if this can work. I've got myself a little protractor here. I'm going to draw with my ruler. Oh, and I've got angles. So let's see if it'll let me. Okay. Let's do this in red. Okay, so I've got one line there, and let's make a 25-degree angle. As you can see, my ruler actually tells me, so that's kind of cheating, but that's alright. We'll cheat. Okay, so now we can try to move this guy. So we have to move our protractor, assuming it lets us. Hold on. I can do it with my mouse. Okay, and you have to move it just so it's right in place. Okay, and because it's picture, it doesn't want to snap. Okay, never mind. Oh, but I can probably move this right into place. There you go. Okay, yeah, that'll work. So, most important thing is that you line up your 0 line. That was kind of a weird way of doing it, but anyways, line up your 0 line. As you can see here, 0 is lined up. And second thing is line up that T. So we've got a T right here. And then you can just read off this to find the degrees. And wow, we have 25 degrees. So it's 10, 20, and you can look here and it says 25. So 25 degrees. So that is the basics of measuring angles. Kind of weird with my computer to actually draw this, but I think you guys get the idea. Good luck.